Chapter 2 History, Itihasam of Lakya Tantra. Salakya Tantra is one of the full-fledged branches of Ashtanga Ayurveda. The glimpses of its achievements are scattered in ancient literature. Anatomy. Bhadranyaka Upanishad 11.2.3 has narrated that two eyes are Visvamitra and Jamdagni. They are located in two of the seven cavities of the skull. It has also mentioned Urdhva Vartma, Adhra Vartma and three distinct layers of the eyeball: Suklam, white fibrous coat; Lohinam, red vascular coat; and Kam, dark retinal layer. Kandogya Upanishad 1 June 2005 and 1 June 2006 has described internal features of the eye with its reflections as Shuklabha, Nilabha and Kabha. It has identified golden glow inside the eye as follows: Fig.1.3 P.113 Hiranyamay, golden parts; Hiranyakesh, golden threads or golden hair; Hiranyashmashru, golden tuft of hair, beard. The space between Suklam and Kam is called as Antariksa. These details are comparable with 1. Suklam, sclera and conjunctiva; 2. Lohinam, choroid; 3. Kam, ciliary body and retina; 4. Hiranyakaya, optic nerves; 5. Shuklabha, conjunctiva; 6. Kannik, pupil, iris and lens; 7. Loka, a region of retina, macula; 8. Antarik, the space inside eyeball. Physiology. The functions of parts of head are described as Shadan Dadbhirvaka Dantamula Mudam Bastegan Dashtramen Saraswatyagrajihvan Jirvayautsadmavaktanden Talu Vajhanubhyam Pasyen Varishan Mandabhyam Adityanshmashrubhe Panthana Bhrubhyan Dyava Prithivi Vartobhya Vidyutan Kaninkabhya Shuklai Swaha Krishnai Swaha Paryani Pakshmani Varyaikshavo Varyani Pakshmani Paryaikshavaha. Yajurved 25/1 1. Dant, for cutting hard food; 2. Dant Mala, for masticating smooth food; 3. Dant Mmsa, for very smooth food; 4. Damster, for piercing food; 5. Jihvagra, for producing various sounds; 6. Jihw, for mixing food in the mouth; 7. Tlu, for special types of crying, avakranda; 8. Hanu, for proper grinding of food; 9. Mukha, to keep water; 10. Smasru and Kesa, for cosmetic purpose; 11. Bharu, to give non-verbal directions. When there is a paired organ, a synchronized action of them is prayers were offered for such action of eye, ears etc. Dve aksho samanan pashyatah. Trivritchakshuah Shuklam Krishna Kaninika, Parovriyah Purusha Pashyati. Jaimini Brahman 1/254. The time between the production of sound and the hearing is also discussed. Ekmev Shrotren Karoti Yadev Shrinoti, Samanatra San Sarva Anudisha Shrinoti Api Parashyan Paschad Vadata Shrinoti. Jaimini Brahman 1/254. The function of Mastiska, brain, is analyzed with its structural details in Atharva Veda. Mastishkamasya yatmo lalatan kakatika prathmo yah kapalam. Chitva chityam hanvoha purshasya diva ruroh katamahasa deva. Atharva 10/2/8 feet. There are several prayers for normal functioning of sense organs. Ab chakshushetva mahina payosi yaju. 1/20 feet a, tva chakshusha pashyami yaju. 10/30 feet e, chakshushyagnessi chakshum pahi yaju. 2/16 feet e, ya agan punashchakshuah yaju. 4/151 ab virat shrotram yaju. 205 feet a, shrotran yagyen kalpatam yaju. 9/27 feet e, shrotran में तर्पयताम यजु. 6/31 फीट ई, वर्चसे पवस्व श्रोत्राय यजु. 7/27 फीट 3 फीट, श्रोत्रण में पाही यजु. 14/17 फीट उ, श्रोत्रण में श्लोकाय यजु. 4/8 फीट री श्रेणुयाम शरदः शतम अथर्व 1967-31। जिह्वा में भद्रवाक यजु 20/6 फीट आग्ने पावक रोचिता देव जिह्वया यजु 17/8। Yajurveda has identified the relationship of sense organs with universal phenomenon. वातं प्राणेनापानेन नासिके उपयाम मघ्रेणौष्ठेन सदुत्तरेण प्रकाशेनानन्तरमनुकाशेन बाह्यं निवेश्य मूर्धनास्तन्येतनु निर्वाधेनाश्नि मस्तिष्केन विद्युतं कनीनकाभ्यां कर्णाकर्णाभ्यां श्रोत्राभ्यां कर्णौ तेदनीमधरकण्ठेनापः शुष्ककण्ठेन चित्तं मन्यभिर्दिति शीर्षणा निर्वृति निर्जर्जत्येन शीर्षणा संक्रोशः प्राणानरेशमानस्तुपेन। यजुर्वेद 25/2 Vijasneya Samhita of Yajurveda has compared eyeball, tears, etc. with the cosmic bodies. Vidhrite nabhyaghritarsenapo yushna marichivimprudbhirnihar bhushmna shina vasya prushvashrubhirharaduni duvshikabhirasna rakshasi चित्राण्यंगैर्नक्षत्राणि रूपेण पृथ्वी त्वचा जुम्बकाय स्वाहा। यजुर्वेद 25/9 feet। Sataptha BRHMA has correlated head to galaxy, to eyes to sun and moon, tongue to goddess Saraswati, nose to divine physician Aswini Kumras. द्यौरेवास्य शिरः सूर्याचन्द्रं सौ चक्षुषी यच्चक्षुरध्यशेत स चन्द्रमास्तस्मान्मीलितरोरन्न हि तस्माद्भवत्। शत.ब्रा 7 जनवरी 217। जिह्वा सरस्वती नासिके अश्विनौ जिह्वया वा अन्नस्य रसं विजानाति नासिके उवै प्राणस्य पन्या है। शत.ब्रा 12/9-1-14। The divine influence of eye is described in Yajurveda as Fig.1.4 P.113 parts of the eye governors. 1. Blood and blood vessels, Rudra. 2. Watery portions, liquids, Parjanya. 3. Kaninika, center of the eye, Shraya. 4. Krishnam, black portions, Agni. 5. Suklam, white portions, Indra. 6. Lower lid, Prithvi. 7. Upper lid, Aka. Diseases and their treatment. Atharvaveda has named some diseases of head as 1. IRKTI, painful diseases of the head. 2. Sirsamaya, general diseases of the head. 3. Karnala, painful diseases of the ears. 4. Vilohita, bleeding diseases of the head. Diseases of eyes, ears, teeth, oral cavity etc. find place in various hymns. या ग्रैव्या अपचितोथो या उपशक्ष्याः विश्रामनी या अपचितः अथर्व 7:76-2। The nodular swellings originating in the head and neck are described as apaci. यह कृणोति प्रमोत मंधं कृणोति पुरुषं सर्वं शीर्षण्यते रोगाः बहिर्निर्मंत्रयाम है। ऋग्वेद 6:16-1-4 These diseases are treated by spiritual herba and surgical measures. Mantra Sikitsa and other spiritual treatments. Vedic physicians have invited the disease-producing organisms to come out of the head through the eyes and cured blindness. Chakshusha te chakshurhanmi Atharv 5:13-4 O serpent, I will stop the glow of your eyes through the vision of my glowing eyes. Kaushikastra 4 has provided mantras for treatment of sirorogas. 30 जनवरी 2002 तेजो वा एतदक्षयोर्थ दंजनम सन ट्रीटमेंट मुंच शीर्षतया उत्कास एन वनस्पतीन सचता पर्वताश्च अथर्व 1 दिसंबर 2003 Sunbath is claimed to be capable of reducing various ailments of head. The rays of rising sun is curative of earache and headache. The climate of mountain is believed to be provider of health. Abhyanga Pastambha Ghya Sutra 6.15.4 has advised Abhyanga for one-sided headache. Paraskar Ghya Sutra 3.6 has described the all massage to relieve headache. Herbal remedies. Several herbs are used in the treatment of eye diseases like Kusta, Maduka, Nitatni, Avayu, Vibhudaka, Munja, Vihahla, Satavara, Sara, Sali, Sarapa, Silanjala, etc. Rigveda and Atharva Veda have suggested herbs to cure toothache. They are 1. Tila, gingerly all. 2. Nigrodal vata Kra, latex from the trees of ficus family. 3. Upvaka kutja. 4. Sigru. 5. Jirka. Rigveda has advised Sigru along with Sarapa Tela as ear drops in Irek. Maitrani Sanhita, Yajurveda, has claimed Bhurja Patra to possess analgesic property. Durva is said to be useful to stop nasal bleeding. Rigveda 10.16.13, Fig.1.5, P.113. The ailments of oral cavity are relieved by Haridrava, Hartala, says Rigveda. Atho Haridraveshu में हरिमाण ने दधमसी. ऋग्वेद 1.50-12. Apmarga, M.A.K., Babhru, and several other plants were indicated for oral diseases. Other modalities like aerotherapy, pavnopchar, heat therapy, pavkopchar, hydrotherapy, jal chikitsa, touch therapy, panisparsh chikitsa, surgery, organ transplantation etc. were also employed to manage the diseases of head and neck. Special therapeutics. Various collyriums, Anjana, were developed as early as Yajurveda. Atharva Veda has described several indications of Anjana, 7.30.36, and other local medicaments, 19.45.4. Akshirog Bheshajah 6/16. Sisevduh Indriyam, Yajurved 21/36. Lead Sisa when applied as Anjana is considered beneficial to eyes. Netra Roga Sikitsa with 1. Eye drops prepared from Triktu, Trifla and Tutta. 2. Eye drops prepared from Rasanjana. Netra Lepa with 1. Lodhra Twak KJ, Sandhava and GHTA. 2. Giri Mrithika and Sweta Kandana. Anjana from Balmala. Timira Roga Sikitsa with medicated ghee prepared from Sahdeva, Atvar, RSN-GUUC, Saryaka and Trifla. Treatment of night blindness and day blindness with 1. Medicated ghee from Trifle, Trico and Sandhava. 2. Anjana from cowdung extract and blue lotus. Kaksusopanizat is devoted for the protection of eyesight and cure its diseases. Chakshuha Chakshuha Chakshuha, Tejas Thiro Bhav, Ma Pahi Pahi. Tvaritan Chakshu Rogan Shamay Shamay, Mam Jatrupan Tejo Darshay Darshay. Yathaha Andhonasya Tatha Kalpay Kalpay, Kalyana Kuru Kuru, Yani Mam Purv Janmoparjitani Dushkritani Sarvani Nirmule Nirmule, Chakshushopnishad. Kaksusopanizat is a short summary of prayers to sun, chanting of which is said to promote eyesight and better health. See Appendix for full text. In Mahabharata the following diseases are referred in different contexts. Sirasula, Vana 297.5. Sirsasula, Udyog 36.88. Akla, Santi 303.5. Kala Graha, Dant Sula, Santi 303.5. Andhya, Anu 23.13. Jain Agama classics like Sthnanga Sutra has mentioned special treatment of eye diseases like Sirobasti, Tarpana and Puapaka. Akrangastra has provided the list of 16 diseases which include Gandhi, Gandamla Kanya, blindness, and Mukatva, dumbness. Sukha Bhoda has enumerated diseases like Akshi Vedna, ocular pain, Kara Sula, ear ache, and Sara Vedna, headache, and their treatment. Mahayana Bodha offers the details of Kapla Vyadhi, Sira Ke Karnala, Murda Pitaka, Dantla, Aksla, Indriya Parivartana and methods to eradicate blindness from the society. Agni Purana has described Nasya Karma for Gala Ganda and Gaam ale by oil processed with Langli Mala, Kwatha and Nirgundi Swarsa. Durva Ghta is advised for all nasal diseases. Surgical interventions. Following persons were cured of their blindness by Aswini Kumars, Rijasva, Parvarija, Kaksivit, Kanva, Kavipuru etc. Rigveda 1.11 to 116, 117. In Rigveda 1.116.16, we have reference of replacement of the injured eye with artificial eye. Tasmakshina Satya Vichakshadhattan Darsha Bhishjavnarvan. Aitreya Upanishad 2.1.1 quotes the transplantation of eye during Vedic period. Nayanmekam Vaidya Paridrishten Vidhina Shankarakshat Mutpate. तस्य चक्षुस्थाने प्रतिष्ठितम ऐत्रेय उपनिषद 2 जनवरी 2001. The eyeball was carefully extracted from the orbit and new eyeball was properly fixed to the cavity. आंध्य बाधिर्यादि दोष प्राप्तो दुर्भिषजम बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद 4 मार्च 2014. However, the blindness and deafness are considered as very difficult to manage with medicines. Only surgical intervention could restore eyesight and hearing to the victims. The successful head transplantation of Daksha Prajapati is documented both in Karaka, c.ci. 1.441 and Susrita, su.su. 1 से 17 feet. Fig.1.6 p.114. The destructed teeth, Prasirna Dasana, of Pusna, sun god, were repaired by Aswins, ca.ci. 1.441. The damaged and destroyed eyes, Nasta Netra, of Bhaga, sun god, were reconstructed by Aswins, ca.ci. 1.441.